Okay, uh, if you don't have SHAREit installed in your computer, you can go to Microsoft Store and you install it. For my case, I already installed it, so I'll just open this one. When you open it, you'll see a display that looks like this. Alright. Oh, too blurry. Okay, so a display that looks like this. Now it's already open. So what we're going to do now is we'll look for SHAREit. Oh, I think my SHAREit is not clear, but it's right here. I'll just tap on it to open it. Now once you open, okay, be careful here when you open SHAREit, there will be a lot of ads popping up. So be very careful. You can close them out, and then you look at this plus sign at the top here, this plus sign. Tap on that plus sign and you tap on connect to PC. Now it's going to ask you to scan the QR code. We'll just scan this code. Okay. Alright, it's connected. As you can see, it's connected. Now the display that you see here is the photos and videos that are found in your phone. They will be found here. This is the phone storage that is displayed in here. Okay, so you see this, that's your phone storage. These are your photos. If you come down to video, you will see your videos from the phone stored in here. You'll see everything in there. Now if you want to send a file from your computer to the phone, then this is what we are going to do. Just leave this phone here. You tap on this upload to phone button. You click on this upload to phone button, and then you select your pictures or videos of document, and then you can send. Alright, I'll just use one as an example. Okay. Alright, I am selecting a video to send it across. Now it's coming. So this is the progress. Oh, it's already here. Anyway, the phone is the video is already.
We are looking for online staff.
Oh.
No work experience required. The main requirement is English speaking. Free working hours. Can work from anywhere.
Okay, I'll just show you how to one more step. I'll just show you one more step. If you want to send from the phone to the computer, then you send directly. You share from here to the computer. It will you open it first. Open it first after you say for example, we'll just tap on this. If we want to send an item, okay. Whenever you close this, it will close. Okay, you see? When you close here, the connection here will also be broken or will also be cut off. So we closed it here. Now we can send, let's say, if you want to send a file, you can select your file, then come tap on send. We'll just send one file here. Let me choose a photo. Okay, we'll select this photo. Where is it? Okay. Okay, we'll just select one photo and then we tap on send. Now it'll ask us to give us this code. Now it's connected. You'll see something like this. Okay, it's already connected. It's sending it. Alright, I think it has been sent. So if you want to see it, you can go back to any folder, go to download folder. You see this download folder here, tap on that. Tap on SHAREit. Open this photo. There we go. Alright, so this is the photo. Okay, that's the photo. Anyway, so that's how you can send file from your phone to your computer using SHAREit, or you can send from your computer to your phone using SHAREit. Okay, thank you.